In today's video, we are going to do a few shelves in my pantry. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, it's Tiny Tuesday, and I would like to thank Sunday Dawn for hosting this collaboration. It's always one I look forward to doing. And also don't forget to check my comments because the playlist will be down there for all the other ladies. And this is Tiny Tuesday, hosted by Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And I hope you enjoy my tiny tidy. Today I'm going to work on my pantry. I must have forgot to turn my camera on or something because I thought I'd videoed me cleaning all this stuff. But I guess I didn't, so here's the results.
And I took everything, all the jars out, and I put the jars in this box so they could be taken to the recycling bin, or recycling. And I still have my cleaning supplies in here, just a little bit, and some of our drinks. And I still have room to put jars that we use through the month or so until I get around tidying again. I emptied this cupboard out and I gave it a wipe. And I had a bunch of plastic bags in this pretty basket. I don't need that anymore because we don't get as many plastic bags. So I put my plastic bags in this yellow bag. And I'm going to put this, not this, but I'm going to put some of this stuff back in this cupboard and see what else I might do with it. So I'm going to keep these plastic bags because I do use them. I'm just going to stick them back there. And these are bags. This is stuff for our recycling bins, but we can't use the plastic ones. So I'm not really sure what we're going to do with these. Maybe we'll have to donate them or use them for something, I don't know. I'm just going to stick them back there too. There, that looks good. We've got these large ones. Not sure what hubby wants to do with those either, but maybe if he sees them, he'll use them. And I have some brown bags I'm just going to throw out. Put them in the recycling bin. These bags I'll keep. Stick in here. There we go. So I've got some stuff for recycling. And this is all wiped out nice. Now I know we like to keep the potatoes and stuff down here. So I might get two smaller baskets and put potatoes and onions here. And that would work maybe pretty good. I don't know if you can see that or not. But anyhow. Get two baskets to put in there for potatoes and onions. And I have potatoes up here, so I'm gonna bring them down here, put them in their spot. Oh, so husband was into making kombucha. I don't know if he's still going to do that or not. We have lots of... Okay, we've got some stuff here. Maybe we can move down to the bottom with the other bags. Oops. And if I get 3 of these shelves done, I'll be happy. It's another drink. What's this? Coconut water. And we have a bag of onions. Yep, so those can go there. Good. And this is my daughter's bowl. And this is a popcorn maker. Okay. Oh, we got a jar of pickles back here. Didn't know we had a jar of pickles. Okay. The pickles. Oh, might have to put those in the fridge and eat them. Okay, so this is his stuff. This is his stuff for his kombucha. These guys over here, and wipe this dust out. And we'll move everything over here. That's all his kombucha. His kombucha bottles. And this is some of the stuff he puts in his kombucha, I think. Okay, that shelf is nice and clean. I think I can take some of this stuff up here and put it down here. Oh, there's some more of that stuff. I think there's another one up here. So put this stuff back here. Take this tray over here, put it in here. It's got our popcorn. And take the shake and bake out. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Get rid of that box. What's up here? I don't think you can see what I'm doing. Nope. Kind of straightening out this area. Go. We get these hash browns at Costco. Come in little containers like this. And they're very, very good. I'm going to put them on the shelf here. And gets rid of this box. Okay, I'll show you what I've done. The extra ketchup and relish. Don't know where the mustard, I know there's extra mustard. And it's got the kombucha bottles and stuff. And I showed you these ones. Tidied out this one. It's got our Glad wrap and aluminum foil and all that stuff and Ziploc bags. And oh, my pantry's a mess. But that's going to be another tiny tidy. Put these tins of, put the tins of fish in there. That's where they came out of. And I did put the potatoes and onions down there, so that's good. I'm not going to do that one yet. Not quite ready for it. Not sure what's in there. Anyhow, I'm tired, so that's going to be it. My tiny tidy. It's going to be, I got that little cubby straightened out. I got this cubby hole straightened out. And this one's straightened out, and the jars are ready to go to recycling. And I got this one kind of set up, the onions and potatoes. So in this section I still have that one and that one. They're not too bad, but I'd like to get a basket to put my bread in to have in here. So that's going to be my goal. So I'm going to clean up the mess that I've made outside the kitchen, on the kitchen floor, and put this stuff where it all belongs, like out to the recycling bin. Put the pickles in the fridge, get them cold so we can eat them. This fridge is full. Okay. Let's take this stuff out to the recycling bin. Put a couple of things in my cupboard here, and the jars are here. Leave these where they go. Bit noisy. And we're just going to sweep up the floor. Just get the stuff that I brushed out of the cupboards. And the floor needs to be swept. Every kitchen floor needs to be swept all the time. Oops. There we go, all swept. In the garbage. Put the bird away. This is my tiny Tuesday. Did part of my pantry. Feels good to get out of there the stuff that doesn't need to be in there. And we'll do some more. Maybe next Tuesday. We'll do a little bit more for Tiny Tuesday. And I'm going to look in my craft room, see if I've got baskets for the onions and the potatoes. So, thank you very much for watching. And I would like to thank Sunday Dawn again. Don't forget to check the playlist that I have in my comments. It has lots of tiny pages, and they give you lots of inspiration, lots of ideas. So hopefully we'll see you again. And say hi, all my tiny ladies. Hello, hello. Love working with you. And Sunday Dawn, great hostess. And my next video is Fairy Garden Thursday with Grandma Sandy. It's lots of fun. I always make new fairy gardens. Okay, we'll see you again. Take care, and thanks again for watching, my lovely subscribers. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and please subscribe. Bye.